I sometimes sneeze when I look at bright light. It turns out about 25% of people do too. It's called the photic sneeze reflex. It's actually genetic. When bright light hits my eyes, the signal can get mixed up with the nerve that triggers sneezing. So my brain basically confuses brightness with irritation. A long time ago, people thought the sun was cleansing evil spirits from the body when this happened. Now we know it's just a little wiring mix-up in the nervous system. And if you have it like I do, there's a good chance you inherited it from a parent.